cream truck. I can make all kinds of yummy icy treats. Oh, the customer seems to be here. Welcome. Yo ho, please give me this one. Rainbow popsicle. These ingredients are needed for making the rainbow popsicle. Milk, sugar, flour, egg beater, There are so many flavors. Which strawberry flavor? Rainbow candy flavor. Chocolate flavor. Kiwi fruit flavor. Rainbow candy flavor. Pineapple flavor. Let's pour the mixture into the mold. Blueberry, strawberry, pineapple, banana, cherry, Finally, let's decorate. Wow! The delicious rainbow popsicle is ready! The guests will love it! Yo-ho! It's so delicious! It might result in stomach ache when eating too much ice treats. Wow! We've unlocked a new prop! Welcome! What should I order? Ice cream in chocolate bowl. First, choose the type of chocolate you like. Chocolate turns into the sticky chocolate syrup when it's heated. The round balloon is perfect for serving as a mold of the chocolate bowl. Next, let's prepare some tasty nuts. Nuts can make the chocolate tastier. The chocolate bowl is ready for holding ice cream scoops. some more marshmallows and put them on top of the ice cream. Wow, the roasted marshmallows smell good. Finally, let's add some delicious toppings. Wow, the ice cream and chocolate bowl is ready. Our customer must be very satisfied. This is so yummy! It might result in stomach ache when eating too much ice treats. Welcome! Hi, Mew Mew. I'd like to have a large portion of this. Smoothie with tapioca pearls. Choose a cup of tasty juice first. Watermelon flavor. Turn the handle to grind the ice into smoothie. Lemonade can make the smoothie tastier. Which kind of tapioca pearls do you like? Put cooked pearls in ice water to make them even more chewy. Finally, let's decorate. The smoothie with tapioca pearls is ready! That's great! Let's serve it to our customer! The ice treats you have made are so delicious! It might result in stomach ache when eating too much ice treats. Welcome! Hello, I'd like to try this one. Colorful fruity mix. First, pour the ingredients in the yogurt machine. Milk. Yogurt starter. Slide to set correct number on the timer. The yogurt is ready. Let's scoop it out. There are so many flavors, with kiwi fruit flavor, blueberry flavor, cherry flavor. Let's pour a layer of yogurt. And then sprinkle some fruits on it. Strawberry. Kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruit. Cherry. Banana. Pineapple. Strawberry. Kiwi fruit. Cherry. We can also add some sweet condensed milk on the fruity mix. Pour the condensed milk into a pastry bag. Let's squeeze out the condensed milk. Finally, let's decorate. The colorful fruity mix is ready. It looks yummy. Huh? It's yummy. Thank you. Do not eat too much icy treats at a time, or you might get a stomachache. Welcome. This frozen dessert looks so good. I'd like to give it a try.